Good morning, guys. It's May 17th, 2020. Just going to do a little coffee chat here this morning, first thing Sunday morning, with my dog, Miss Molly, the big star of the show. This is like her favorite spot here. Ever since I got her at 3 months old, I mean, she was a little tiny thing, and I do a lot of work on editing videos. I got little beds here up on my desk, and she used to always be up on the desk because she was so small. I throw her up here on these little beds, and she'd crawl around and climb up on me like this all the time and sleep, in my arms here. She would, and she's been doing that. Now she's almost 2, and she still does that all the time because she's only 5 pounds, so she's not heavy. I mean, she could be like this all day and it doesn't bother me. But this is how she's been since she's been a puppy, up here on a desk. And if I'm working on a computer or something, I mean, she's over there. She wants to come up and eat her snacks, and she got her food up here. So she kind of lives up here on a desk when I'm around. And yeah, this is still her favorite spot. She's always trying to climb up on me and fall asleep. Kind of cute. I mean, if I ever got another dog, it would be different, right? Every dog's different. But that's just the experience I've had with her as a puppy, and she's probably the best dog I've ever had as far as being clingy and stuff. I mean, she's very clingy to me, and she's got the greatest life ever with me. So yeah, I've been trying to eat healthy, more salads, and trying to get back on the ketogenic stuff, and haven't been drinking any beers. I feel a lot better not drinking the beers. There's a lot of extra calories that I was taking in every day with the beers, and I don't miss that at all. I feel better not drinking the beers and trying to trim up. I want to try to get back into shape here, and usually don't take me long. But all the gyms are locked up. I mean, everything's still closed here. All the health clubs are closed. My whole state in Massachusetts is still closed. The corona is still rising over here. I watch the numbers every day on the Weather Channel, and they keep going up and up and up and up. They're not coming down. They're not leveled off or coming down yet. So it's going to be a little while till everything opens back up. It's basically mid-May, and I'm thinking probably by mid-June, things should start opening back up, which is 4 weeks from now, I'm hoping. I'm still an essential worker, so I still can go out working, and all the food stores are still open. Um, like all the tennis courts and any playgrounds, them are all roped off and you can't go next to them. But I've been doing walking. I've been walking the dog every day. I take the dog out. I go around UMass Dartmouth. It's like a big university. Got like a big road that goes all the way around. It's like 1.6 miles around, and I'm half a mile from there, so half a mile and a half a mile back is a mile. So it's like 2.6 miles. Go there once around and back. And me and Molly been going. I mean, she thinks she's a Alaskan sled dog over there, pulling me the whole way, and she's quite the character. She loves walking, so I've been doing like maybe two and a half. She has gone around twice and then back home, which was like 4.2 miles one time, and um, she made it. I mean, it's kind of a lot for a little dog. Like, she's only 5 pounds. She's tiny. Her little legs going a mile a minute, and it's been good to do the walking and getting out. I do miss the health clubs. They're not open. I can't go anyway. But I was going for like 8 weeks before they closed. I started going back every day, and was really enjoying it until everything closed down again. So I'm hoping that everything starts opening up again in this Corona. Um, as things warm up and things, they'll start opening things back up. We're gonna have to, because the state, you just can't stay locked down and not working. I mean, the state economy's gonna crash. You gotta go. You gotta get back to work. I mean, if you want to walk around with a mask on or whatever, do what you got to do. But we can't be. We gotta have to be working. We're designed to work. We just can't sit around and do nothing all day. Um, it's not good. I recommend you guys get out and start doing some walking like I've been doing. I mean, get out of the house and get some fresh air. Even if you're just out doing a little, half a mile at a time. I mean, 2.6 miles takes me about an hour to do. 55, 56 minutes with the dog, and I've been enjoying it. It's been good. Um, So the weather's starting to really crack. I mean, it's beautiful out. It's been close to 70 here. And as it gets warmer, I won't be able to take the dog because, obviously I don't want to burn her little paws on hot pavement and stuff. I'll have to keep an eye on that temperature-wise. But, yeah. So I've been doing a few jobs here and there. Jobs are starting to come in. I've been screening the people and going out and doing the jobs if they're safe to do. And the phone's starting to ring a little bit here now. And hopefully we can get out and get some more videos of some jobs. It's such a nice, like I said, it's such a nice time of year. I try to tell you guys to get out and enjoy the weather, enjoy the sun. Um, the guys are all cooped up in the house, going flipping stir crazy. Get out and enjoy the weather. Go for a walk with your girlfriend or your wife or your dog or whatever, and just get out. And it's good for you. Try to keep a positive attitude, and this will all pass. I feel good. I'm healthy. I'm in good spirits. I feel good. Been getting good sleep. Been eating well, and out and about, enjoying life, enjoying my life, every minute of it. All right, guys. Just wanted to do a quick little coffee chat. Put something up for today. More work and videos to come this week. I'm thinking about doing some of these live streams. I'm thinking about maybe doing them on maybe on the weekend or something like that, and do maybe question and answers as the question and answers come in. Maybe I'll pop in later on or something. I don't know when a good time. What do you guys recommend is a good time? Leave it in the comment section. Maybe 7, 8 o'clock at night or something. Do start doing the live streams, and as the questions come in, people ask me questions, I could probably answer them, and that might be a good thing to do. But let me know what you think about the live streams. And Miss Molly's, see how she is? She just falls asleep in my arms. She buries her head in me and starts snoring. All right, just a quick little one. And like I said, get outside and do some walking. Get some fresh air. Stay away from people. And get some of that fresh air into your lungs and live life. All right, more videos to come.